Hey y'all, it's your favorite remodeling truth teller, Roger Smith, and today's show is called What is a Realistic Remodeling Project Timeline? Let's face it, folks. In the world of remodeling, an accurate project timeline is as elusive as finding a cactus at a beach. You start with hope in your heart and a vision in your head, but without a proper timeline, you're steering into uncharted waters with nothing but a spaghetti strainer for a compass. So, how do we pin down something that's constantly moving? Grab your trusty notepad and let's break it down. First things first, start with planning. And I'm talking detailed plans, not the kind you scribble on the back of a diner napkin. Allow yourself a good month to work with a designer, finalize your ideas, and secure permits. Yes, I know, we all wish permits were handed out like festival wristbands, but bureaucracy is real, people. Next up, demolition and prep work. You're looking at about 2 to 3 weeks. It's where the magic happens and the old makes way for the new. It's dusty, noisy, and as chaotic as a Black Friday sale, but it's a crucial step in your timeline. I see you over there ignoring contractor red flags. We need to talk. This is where your contractor's scheduling finesse plays a critical role. Make sure they line up subcontractors like a well-choreographed dance to prevent your timeline from ballooning like a hot air balloon at a festival. On to the heart of it all, the construction phase. Depending on the project's scale, this could range from a few weeks to several months. Kitchen or bathroom? You might be looking at 6 to 12 weeks. Entire home remodel? Buckle up for a longer ride. Remember, delays happen, so adding some buffer weeks is a lifesaver, or at least sanity saver. Then we move to the final stage, finishing details. This includes installing fixtures, adding trims, painting, and all the small touches that make your project truly shine. Allocate about 1 to 2 weeks for this, though meticulous artisans sometimes take a touch longer. It's like applying the cherry on the sundae. You want it exact, not wobbled under pressure. So there you have it, a dose of reality served up with a slice of humor. Understanding a remodeling timeline helps align expectations with reality, turning your dream project into a living masterpiece, one scheduled step at a time. This has been Roger Smith with the Phoenix Home Remodeling Show. Until next time, keep dreaming bigger. And remember, if your remodel feels stressful, it's not you, it's your contractor. Later, y'all.